So on this run, we're going to run some saltwater taffy. I have never run saltwater taffy yet, so I'm going to get that prepped while the machine is getting ready to run some lemon heads. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to cut these at least in half. Pretty squishy, so I'll probably just use a sharp knife. Let's try some scissors. Not sure how that'll work. I guess just in half. I think that'll work. Maybe cut them right in the wrapper, that way my hand ain't all sticky. Not sure. So I'll get these cut up, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. But I'll get these put on a tray, and then I'll bring you back when we run them, when we get the version 6 software set up for these. So I'll bring you back when I have them all set up. So I've never run these. I don't know how much they're going to puff up, so I'm not going to overstuff the trays. Put parchment on top. Scissors work pretty good for these. I've actually cut Jolly Ranchers. Snap them in half with these scissors. Okay, we got those trays loaded. As soon as that load is done in there, we'll put these trays in, and we'll get those other trays out. I'll bring you back. Okay, so I just finished up the lemon heads. We're going to do some saltwater taffy now. There it is on my phone. Version 6. Tray loading 70. Pre-warm 160. Okay, so we're going to scroll down. We're going to hit the start with recommended setup. Start new candy batch, and let's see if it switches to... Okay, screen went to saltwater taffy. I'm just going to load the trays. Layer on top. I almost put the wrong trays in. So we'll do these like I said, we're going to do everything at the version 6 settings. And then as I go, I'll make my own adjustments. I just wanted to see how well these settings would work for everything. Oh, that taffy mushed down even though it's not even warm in here. Okay, so we got the taffy in there. We're going to pull the seal out a little bit. Shut the door. Close the valve. Nope, already got it closed. We're going to hit continue. So it is... I'm not sure what that is. Okay, so we're going up to 150. And then it'll go into pre-warming for... It doesn't have a... There is no warming time. It is just a pre-warm 150. So I guess it's just going to bring it up to 150 and then turn the pump on. That should be interesting. Because if you look on the phone, there is no time on that pre-warm. It's just a temperature. And we'll let that get up to 150 and we'll see what they're going to do there. Give me a moment. Well, that pump should kick on any minute now. And we'll see what these are going to do. They were just sitting on top of the freeze dryer. And they're already got a little flattened out. Hopefully we don't have a mess. And again, this is Salt Water Taffy, the version 6 software. We're at 146 degrees, and it said 150. Never done saltwater taffy before. 148, getting close. There's the pump kicking on. Look like we're getting a little swelling on the blue ones. Okay, the rest of them are puffing up there. Yellow ones on the bottom are puffing up. Nothing's gone too crazy yet. Back down to those blue ones, they look good. Well, at least we don't have a mess. That one got a little puffy. I think they had caramel on them or something, or in them. I'm not sure. I'm not a big eater of saltwater taffy, so I know when I cut them apart it looked different. Okay, I'll bring you back when they're done. Okay, so the saltwater taffy's done. We're going to get that out and let that set for a minute. See how this looks. So we're going to let them set for a few minutes to make sure they stiffen up, and I will bring you right back. Okay, so we let those sit for a minute. Let's see how they turned out. I'd say they look pretty good. Give one a try here. Blue one. Oh wow, that's different. That's definitely different. Want to try one, Pup? You don't like it? Okay, so I'd say they're a success. Every tray looks good. Even the little tiny pieces puffed up. If you like our videos, please like, subscribe, hit the notification, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you.